Olwesingaki?
Umshado ngolesine ngekliniki.
Okay, bafethu ibhedela mawami namhlanje. So today ngibashela bafethu kukhona ngisho noKotili nani bakudodo kwami khona uyasaba. So guys, supportaneni as abangani ezobunosisi. So khona ibrand ayipusha ighost yomuntu.
Yes.
Nanzi.
Awubabuka usendaba iswap. Ngizwele zibona makhanda ngaka.
Boy.
This is people who want to take over government, not through the ballot paper, but through these criminal activities. We must protect those who go to the voting station. Political parties exercise their rights, they vote, they appoint government. But if government is going to be taken in this fashion, it cannot happen under our name. So it's for that reason that we wanted to communicate a message to South Africa that we are ready, and communicate a message to this drug squad, politicians, the executive, police officers within law enforcement agencies, that we're ready for them. I said when I presented earlier, I knew that I've got a target on my back. So for me, maybe you'll forgive me in saying this as a Zulu man.
Cela ukubuza ukuthi kuphi kaNkambule. Uzohamba straight. Bese ukhathela bese uyajika uzobingelela mina. Awushayelani.
Awusho ngani usipho sokuchama?
Awushayelani.
Asa dumela.
Ngidumela yini idumelayo?
Ayifani neyami.
Uzayifana neyami.
Kulungile. Awungithathela lesa sikhwama esilapha ngaphansi kwesithi.
Wofala. Wofala. Ayisifole ndoda. Wofala.
Manje singumgqibelo benihlaba inkomo. Beyenze njalo.
Bese ngididekile. Besingahlaba.
Benenze njani?
Yona beyifile vele. Thina sayifika.
Oh, ibulawe yithi.
Angeke azikhonta ibulala kodwa ngazi ukuthi
manje nadla inyama. Ngazingajabula.
Hayi thina abadoda.
Every day, drink a lot. Just drink a lot every day, even during Christmas. Drink a lot of water.
10 million owinile uthi ku-from wine 300,000 mase ufaka wonke u-300,000 kuyena abone ukuthi nje lo isilima sami kanti uhlele no9,700,000 moke wathi win u10 million uma nokudivorce vele uthothi vele akakufuni
Uzofuna no5 bar.
hayi njengoba nihleli vele akakufuni ubekezele nje lesihlame esiwena wena usuthi win u10 million no ithi wena u300,000 khona ezohlala nawe udla imali yakho uma wafaka idivorce 5 bar siyayazi
Excuse me. Don't you think you've had enough? Look, I've been there before. Believe me, it's not worth it. Get yourself some help.
Hey bantu, ubani wena? Ngiyamhlola madoda.
Or not.
Angeke mtsale. Imercedes yona ngeke yini? Ngeke phela. Angeke. Lo mtsala ngeke. Lo mtsala ngeke. Ha? Wena.
Batakile. Basho njalo nje. Basho bakutshelele mina ngibabuza banemali. Abulethe ngibathoki.
Asiyona ibheka le.
Utheni mawuthenga lonke
Macfist.
uthi. Makutheni wena mawuthenga.
Ngithe ngicela iMacfist. Bangibuza bathi ufuna irugula noma ulathi noma ngathi ngifuna irugula.
Watshela ubani?
Okay.
Uthi kune regular.
Irugula leni. Mayo nawalithi ibheka siyona ibheka le.
Ibheka.
iMacfist le yasema idayise McDonald's nali box takhona. Yase McDonald's. iMacfist le le. Ayidliwa iona le nto le. Iona idlu. Ayidliwa iona. Lethi ikhawutra bawe ku. Bari. Never. Hey, ningahlali man. Hayi man. Hayi, ningahlali.
Phansi bakathatha ngokuthi si 50-50 athi umuntu wena lento yenzayo ukuthi ungijithele ikuphatha kanjani menzo mina ngidaka nojwala amasimba wena yena umngane wakho khuluma ukwazi ukuthi ukhuluma nobani vutha la impambo lomusile kancane utshela abantu lento le mina ngifuna ukukhuluma sathi ukhuluma nomngane wakho yabo mina
So there's lekker things out there, ne? Check out this Malumi over here. Yeah, so he's got a big house and 3 small houses. But this one's got the Minister of Transport, Housing and Culture, who's got his cougar, her sugar daddies, his shubabs, side pieces, valley, pennies, booty calls, and a spare wheel. Check, HIV come to visit just one, and we've got 169 problems in no time. Exponential growth. Eliminate the element of surprise. Stop the spread. An undercover lover will bring you HIV from another. Eliminate the element of surprise. Scrutinize. Flip HIV to HIV victory.